Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making an easy liquid soap recipe that uses only 5 ingredients, most of which can be bought at the grocery store or found around your house. This soap can be used as hand soap, body wash, even dish soap. It's a good starter recipe to get you into liquid soap making. If the information in this video helps you, please consider subscribing to help me grow my channel. Now that that's done, let's get started. The ingredients you will need are olive oil, coconut oil, lard, potassium hydroxide, and distilled water. Optional additional ingredients are fragrance or essential oils, table salt, and gel food coloring. To make things easier, I'm going to abbreviate potassium hydroxide and refer to it as KOH or lye for the rest of the video. The equipment you will need is a slow cooker, immersion blender, mixing spoon, food scale, heat-resistant container, plastic cups, a measuring cup, and possibly a calculator. Start by turning the slow cooker to the high setting, then measure out all your ingredients by weight. Measure and pour the distilled water into your heat-proof container, then set it aside. Now add oils to your slow cooker, then coconut oil, the olive oil, and finally the lard. Get a fresh cup and put your KOH lye into it. Take the water and KOH outside and mix them together. Mix for about a minute and then leave it outside for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're safe to bring it back inside. Once inside, wait until the oils in the slow cooker have completely melted. Now the fun part begins. Get your blender ready and pour the KOH water mixture into the slow cooker with the oils, and then start mixing with the immersion blender. It doesn't have to be continuous blending, just a pulse now and then, but keep mixing and stirring for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take a break and put the lid on the slow cooker. Set a timer for 3 hours and leave it alone for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, if the mixture is still liquidy, mix it with the immersion blender again for another 10 minutes. Try to make it look like applesauce. If the solution is already a paste at this point, use your spoon to mix it instead. After that, put the cover back on, set the slow cooker to low, and leave it to do its own thing. Just check on it and give it a quick stir every 30 minutes for the remaining time. At the 3-hour mark, stir it and go ahead and churn your slow cooker down to the warm setting. Get out your measuring cup and add 12 cups of distilled water. Make sure you heat the water to boiling point so as not to thermal shock and crack the slow cooker. You don't have to add it all at once. Once you add the water, put the lid back on and leave it alone overnight, or about 8 hours. I like to make the soap in the evening so I can leave it to dissolve while I sleep. The next day, check to see if all the soap paste has melted. If it hasn't, you can add another cup or two of distilled water and check back in 30 minutes or so, or you can simply remove any remaining bits and set them aside for later. Either way, when the soap paste is all liquid, go ahead and unplug the cooker, pull out the sleeve, and allow it to cool down to room temperature, or at least close to it. If you just want plain unscented soap, then you're done. But we're not going to stop there in this video. Now that the soap is cooled down, we can add scent, color, and thickener. Start by adding 1.5 ounces of essential oils or fragrance oils to the soap. Stir until fully combined. Next, dip the end of the knife in gel food coloring and mix it into the soap. Remember, a little goes a long way, so be careful not to add too much like I did. Now to thicken the soap. In a separate cup, make a saltwater solution with 3 ounces of warm distilled water and 1 ounce of table salt. Add a very small amount of the salt water to the soap at a time, stirring to check to see how thick the soap is getting with each pour. Once you reach the desired soap consistency, stop. You may not need all of the salt water. That's the last step. Now you have homemade liquid soap. Put it in bottles and enjoy. The soap I made was eucalyptus scented. I hope this video helps you. Good luck on your next soap making project. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.